videos nga gi-prepare ni Ma'am Normie sa one-dimensional motion. So I think na ay discussions nito and mga examples po, including the one-dimensional motion in terms of along the y-axis. So karon ang atong buhaton would be I will entertain some queries or clarifications regarding the concept of one-dimensional motion. Kinsay una mo throw a question? Hello? Nalanta ba ninyo, class?
Nalantaw, sir.
Yes.
Okay, very good. So again, ako tong i-komento uban nga mga estudyante nga naga-update silang status. Like for example, nag-upload og mga notes and some work out problems. So hopefully nasabtan ninyo ang inyong gibuhat. And then if ever na may mga questions regarding po sa inyong gipangbuhat, so you can always ask me. Now, ang exam is actually scheduled, well, naka-scheduled na siya, pero ang atong buhaton would be, we will push that until such time na ma-reach na to ang coverage, which will be padulong sa Newton's laws. So after one-dimensional motion, narin tayo two-dimensional motion and then Newton's laws. If nag-subscribe mo sa channel, so nanay na-upload nga videos dito regarding Newton's laws. We will upload soon ang atong sa second two-dimensional motion. Okay, that is something to do with projectile motion. Okay, but before that, so anyone? Okay, so walay pangutanan. So duha lang kabukbot pasabot ani either wala naglantaw or wala kasabot or nakasabot. Pero dili ko mo go into sa nakasabot. Okay, basin ng ganun ko na danger na.
Excuse me, sir, and good morning.
Morning.
Answer questions about sa instantaneous without sir nga video accelerations.
Yes.
Dapat sir kay nag-individualize na magud ang kuan pagkuan sa time na siya mga formula. Lahi ang formula na sir ba?
Okay, so ato lang iko na. Okay, atong i-summarize ang content sa one-dimensional motion nga topic. So
Yes,
one-dimensional, 1D, that means isa lang. Oh, Melchora is sharing something. So I lang pagkuan. I lang ituplo ka ang present now. Again, balik ta. One-dimensional motion na kay object na nag-move sa isa ka axis lang. So for now, ang gibuhat nato is nagsugod ta sa horizontal motion, which is actually the x dimension na motion. Later on, nakita ninyo sa video nga naay presentations po sa motion along the vertical axis or the y dimension motion. So mao tong gitawag nato free fall. Now, unsa may dapat nato timan-an kung naay object na nag-move sa isa ka dimension. So lantawan nimo ang mga parameters. So notice that gi-introduce ko dito ang parameters like position, okay? Position, displacement, okay? Kung nakay position sa object na nag-move, so basically ang gibuhat dito is nakay initial position, and then ang object mag-start og move padulong sa final position. Then ang final position dayon from that ma-extract nimo ang displacement, no? Na duha ka klase, displacement and distance. So ang kalainan sa duha kay ang displacement kay vector quantity. So kay balo na tawag sa vector quantity, kinahanglan nimo siya i-describe in terms of magnitude and direction. Now, kung one-dimensional axis lang, one-dimensional motion, so ang imong direction, it's either, kung x-axis, either ang imong direction is towards the right and the left. While on the other hand, ang distance is focus lang ka sa magnitude. So unsa siya katason, unsa ka sa kalayon ang duha ka points. Okay, that's distance. After that, ang sunod nga parameter nga importante is actually time. So parameter or somewhat, kung i-relate na ko na siya sa ito ang first discussion kay katong mga fundamental quantity. So nakay position in terms of distance and displacement, and then naapog kay time. So pag-start sa movement sa object na kay initial position, and then i-record po nimo dito yung initial na time. Now, pag-move sa object, niabot na siya sa final position, ma-record po nimo ang imong final time. So from that, pwede nimo ma-derive ang speed. So musulod na dayon ang concept sa speed o velocity. So ang kalainan sa speed o velocity, kay again, velocity is a vector quantity, while ang speed kay scalar. So technically, kung paano mo magnitude ang velocity, kay that should be equal to the speed. Okay? But then later on, as we will be discussing average speed and average velocity, you cannot actually do that. So you cannot say that the magnitude of the average velocity is actually equal to the average speed. So ito na i-discuss later on. But now, ang pangunta na, how do you find speed and velocity? So ang imong equation ng dayon is kalainan. So ang imong speed is just defined as, I'll share ko screen na, distance covered by the object over time. Total time na na-spend niya pag-travel ang distance. So, wait lang. Entire screen ba? From window? Oh, window? Window siguro. Wait lang ha. Entire screen na lang. Sige. Okay, so kita na lang. So again, wait. So again, ang speed, okay, natay distance. Okay. Atong notation na kay that's D. And then naapog kay displacement. Send siya sa mga displacement, vector man na siya, so na arrow lang sa taas. Now, kung naakay certain objects, say for example, naakay object na nag-move here, so assuming straight ni siya, sorry sa akong drawing. So, kini, this would be your somewhat, you can treat this one, kining path ngayang yagian, you can treat this one as your x-axis. So ang iyang position dani, so this is na kung mag-create ng imaginary nga y-axis dani, so somewhat we can treat this one as your origin. So that's the origin. So meaning ang location dani, this would be our initial condition. That would mean ang imong initial position, akong i-denote siya o x sub 0. Okay? Sub 0, that's the notation. And then, that should be equal to 0. Kaya atong nag-set no na origin na. And then, napag kay time here, napag kay t sub 0. Okay? So, mas easier kung iset po din mo yung initial time to be 0. Now, after some time, ay mo na ipadagan yung bola. Here, padagan, you give some velocity here. And then, okay, after some time, let's say that the ball arrives at this location. So that's the location. So ato din po ang dali is somewhat, we take the final position. Okay, that's x. And then, napo siya a certain time dani. So let's say for example, ang iyahang final position is let's say that's just equal to 1 meter. And then abot siya dani at some time, say 1 second. Now, ang distance ay ang velocity, ang speed. So if pangutan-on ka sa speed aning bola from this position going to this position, so ayang speed is just equal to, ayang definition is just distance, okay, over total time. So time nga na-cover niya, time nga nagasto from the starting point going to the final point. Okay, so that's total time. So in that case, so ang imong distance is actually kini siya. Kini. Okay? So that's actually distance is equal to x minus x sub 0. But x sub 0 here is actually 0. So basically, ang imong distance equal to x. Wow. So therefore, this is just x over time, which is ang imong position dana is equal to 1 meter. And then ang time at that particular position is actually 1 second. So therefore, ang imong speed is just equal to 1 meter per second. Okay, so that's the speed. How about the velocity? Now, the velocity, again, atong notation kay naglukdo siya og arrow. Now, ang velocity, ang iyang definition is it's a vector quantity, so therefore this is now in terms of displacement over time. Now, ang displacement class kay ang iyang concern lang is asa ka nag-start, asa ang final position. So, imong lang tawon ang endpoints. Tawag na to endpoints. So, starting point is here, and then final point is here. Okay? And then, natawon din mo dahil pilay difference, ana. So, if you do that, ang makita nimo class, so ang imuhang displacement is nothing but the same with sa imuhang distance kaganina. So this is actually, this is x. This is the x. Kaya ang direction na is padulong dito sa tuo. Okay. Ang imong x sub 0 is actually 0. So that's why ang imong speed na kung imo so kabalo na class nga imong movement, okay, kung na ang movement nimo is padulong sa positive x axis. So bottom line is pwede na to i-drop ang arrow. Okay, kabalo naman ta na ang direction kay padulong siya sa right. So we can drop that arrow and then we can write this as d over t. d over t. Here, displacement man nino, but then kabalo ta nga yung direction is padulong sa tuo. But in this case, kini nga particular nga example class kay ang imuhang displacement is actually the same with the distance. So ang imuhang displacement there is just equal to x over t, which is equal to 1 meter over 1 second. So that's actually 1 meter per second. Okay? Take note na ay direction, di ba? So ang direction ni Mudana is actually towards positive x-axis. Okay, vector man di ba? So ato lang gi-drop ang arrow. Kuha. Now, wala pa na ko nansiran ang pangutanan ni Albert. Gusto niya instantaneous acceleration to Albert, no? Instantaneous velocity. But before to mo abot sa instantaneous, so ako sa i-recall po ang concept sa average velocity. Now, average velocity compared with average speed. So now, let's say, suppose okay, suppose buhaton na to kay naakay, this is your x-axis here. So naakay certain friend, okay, nag-start, pasensya sa akong drawing ha. So nag-start siya at this location x sub 0, which is 0, and then let's say the time here also is sub 0. Initial time is 0. Now, niadto siya og store. So I store here. Okay, and this is di lang makita ang sa gipang tinda diri, no? Na gipang bitay na. Okay. So this store is located at certain location which is equal to let's say this is 10 meters towards the right of this initial location. So ang imuhang okay, ang kining tao dani, so baklay siya padulong dadto, palit siya pagkaon, okay, na pagbaklay niya dito diri padulong diri sa pagbaklay niya padulong diri sa store, let's say nga ang time nga na-spend para mubaklay padulong dito is say that's equal to, let's say mga 60 seconds. Okay? 10 meters, mabaklay ba nimo og mga 1 minute? 1 minute nga baklay o marag 1 ra na sige. Let's say inanay mo time. And after nimo pagpalit, baklay na pod ang imong balik na pod ang imong ang kining tao ni balik na pod siya diri. Okay? So ang iyang na-spend na pod nga time is the same with this, 60 seconds. So, padulong dadto, 60 seconds. Pabalik is also 60 seconds. Now, pangutana kay what is now the average, okay, average speed. Okay, so atong notation sa average speed is actually that. No? Now, ano ta? Ang average speed is defined as delta x over delta t. So now, nag-introduce ko where delta means change. Okay? So kung makita kag delta x, so change sa imong position. So that would be, change sa imong position would be the final minus the initial. Okay? On the other hand, ang imong delta t is just t minus t sub 0. Okay? So now, ang pangutana kay pilay average speed sa imong entire trip. Pagpalit niya og pagkaon padulong sa store pabalik. So let's calculate the average velocity. So notice that ang imong average speed ni kay pila man. So ang imong distance, ang total distance is actually this one. 10, di ba? Pagpadulong niya dito, that's 10 meters. Plus ang pabalik, round trip niya is also 10 meters. So that's equal to 20 meters. Kuha. Or, para dili, mura ni siya total distance man, no? You can think of this as total distance. Or kung imo gina siyang lantawon, formula by formula class, parameter by parameter, so ang imong distance is actually, manaman no, giset man imo imong x of 0 to be 0, so that's basically this one, x minus x of 0 over t minus t sub 0. Ang imong x of 0 is actually 0, and then imong initial time is actually 0, so na kay x over t. Now, kini imong x dani, this is the total distance. Okay? Total distance mo, that's actually the round trip. So, mura na siya o, sulat lang siya o, this one. So, mura na siya o, kana, and then balik na yun. Kana, distance. So, that's x, di mo, total x. So, that's equal to 20 meters. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now, how about the, sorry, ang in class site ni dili siya. Okay, this is not T, okay, but that's,
See, for instance, your team, kailangan siya 2,000 up.
that's actually T. That's T. Ay, nakuha ko siya, no? That's time, total time, no? Zero money. So, pila ang time nimo karon? Total time.
120, sir.
Very good. So, the total time is, pagpadulong niya rito is 60 seconds, pabalik is another 60, so that's, you have 120 seconds. So you just have to divide this. So ako lang yung mag-cancel na ako ang 0, no? So 2 divided by 12, that's actually equal to 1 over 6. No? That's just equal to 1 over 6. Pila na 1 over 6? 0.20?
0.67, sir.
Sorry, so that's 0.67. So that's 0.67 meters per second. So that's the average speed. Okay? Now, recall, kaganina, anak ko, pag-abot na ako dali, sa speed, sa velocity, kung i-compare nimo ang velocity ug ang speed, so kung paon nimo ang magnitude sa velocity, that is just equal to the speed. Okay? So ang magnitude sa velocity here, kung paano mo na magnitude ni, so kung magnitude ani niya is 1 second, that 1 meter per second, kung paano mo siya, that should be equal to the speed here, that's a speed. So tama, riba? Now, ang pangutana is, can we do this for average speed? So should we say that the average velocity is, the magnitude of the average velocity is equal to the average speed? So let's find out. Sorry.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Murag dili 0.67 ang ano, sir.
Pila?
1 divide 6, 1 divide 6.
Pila?
0.17.
0.17. Okay. Thank you for that. So let's change that. 0.17.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So na maka-verify yan, no? 0.17. Okay. So now let's calculate for the average. Sorry. Let's calculate for the average velocity. Average velocity. So ang notation na to na kay murag na kay V average na arrow na no. Then again, kay kabalo naman ta nga one-dimensional motion naman siya class, so it's either nag-move siya padulong sa right or sa left. So, ato na i-determine later kung asa siya padulong sa left ba siya or sa right. Now, so pwede na to i-drop ang arrow, but then we know that ang definition sa average velocity is now equal to that's di ba kung nalibot ang arrow na ng stability para makita yung delta, that's the displacement, na arrow no displacement kanina sa average speed is distance. Interpretation natin ng distance. This is total distance. Okay? The change in x is the total distance. On the other hand, here the change in the position, position mo is na direction, na arrows. So that means this is the total displacement, okay, over the total time. So that's basically x. Ano? So minus. Now, ng tao ni po class, okay, pwede na po i-drop ang arrow, no? So you can have i-drop na kong arrow. So ayaw mo ka kwan class either ang arrow, ang movement sa imong object, in this case ang tao, is either padulong sa right and padulong sa left. Now, notice that ang imong initial position ato man giset now, we know that the initial position is equal to x sub 0. So that would mean x sub 0, which is actually 0. So that would mean this is actually 0 here, and this is also 0 here. Okay? Are you with me? So that would
Yes,
mean
sir.
that that's x over t. Tama?
Yes, sir.
X over t. Okay? So now, here's the idea. Now, ang imong x, kini siya nga location is actually, okay, alam mo kung displacement, ang iyang concern kay iyang endpoints. Asa siya nag-start, asa siya nag-end. Now, asa siya nag-start? Nag-start siya at x sub 0, which is equal to 0. Next question is, asa siya nag-stop? This is this. Asa siya nag-stop? Nag-stop siya at actually the location of x sub 0. Right?
Yes, sir.
Diba? Ang x niya din akong gibutag parenthesis that need to emphasize that ang imong final nga position is actually situated where the person starts to move. So that's the origin, which is actually that's x sub 0. Tama? That
Yes,
should
sir.
be also that this is also equal to time. T here is the total time. So basically, we know already that this is actually 0. Ang x sub 0 niyo may 0. Are you with me?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So 0. 0 divided by any number. So we know already that kung imo ginang spell out ng imong time, that time is total time is just kabalutang that's just 120 seconds. But then 0 divided by any number is just equal to 0. So bottom line is the average velocity is just equal to 0. So then we cannot say, so I have to emphasize this, that we cannot say that the magnitude of the average velocity is equal to the average speed. So dili ka kasulti ana. That's not true. This is true class that ang imong magnitude sa average velocity is not equal to the average speed. It's not always, di ba? Nakuha ba?
Yes, sir.
Again, repeat na ko, kung kwaon nimo ang magnitude sa average velocity, dili na siya always equal to the average speed. Okay? Pangutana. So nakita na ninyo ang kalainan sa displacement o sa distance, total displacement. Question? Anybody?